also springs with raptors on the safety guide.
You should stay over.
I don't like girls sitting on the fence.
Markers! Look, Drew, they opened up a fence gate thing. Record audio over this, my dude, because I don't want to voice over this again. They opened up the grate. That means they're doing plumbing, and the lizards are still gone. Oh no! Broken speaker. Rip. Nothing in the back. Tree. It's markers, markers, and more markers, just like usual, Drew.
Look at that pile of leaves, that's new.
Oh, the pile of leaves is new, yeah. But those markers.
God,
It's gonna be a house probably.
No, it's a big ass pile.
But what do you think? Is it gonna be a house?
I don't know. There's a big pile of leaves over there, which maybe they're saving for later.
The Twisted Tickets Awards, pronouncing the best
Best food.
Best food. Not Fairy Farm. Yay!